Understanding end-to-end encryption.
The end-to-end encryption is a way of protecting your digital messages, files, or calls. When you use it, only you and the person you're communicating with can read or listen to what's being sent. No one in between, like service providers or hackers, can see the data. This method is a key tool for keeping your online conversations private.
How does end-to-end encryption work?
With end-to-end encryption, your message is scrambled into a code on your device before it's sent. Only the device of the intended recipient has the special key to turn it back into readable text. Anyone who intercepts the message during transit only sees random, unreadable characters. This process happens automatically in many apps.
Where is end-to-end encryption used?
Many popular apps use end-to-end encryption, including messaging services like WhatsApp, Signal, and iMessage. It's also commonly used for video calls, online banking, and some email providers. When you see that a service uses end-to-end encryption, it usually means your private information is better protected from prying eyes.
Benefits of end-to-end encryption.
The end-to-end encryption helps protect your privacy from hackers, companies, or even governments trying to access your messages without permission. It gives you more control over your personal data, ensuring only you and your intended recipient know what's being communicated. This protection can be especially important for sensitive conversations.
Limitations and things to remember.
While end-to-end encryption is a powerful tool, it's not perfect. It can't protect you if someone gains access to your unlocked device, or if you share information with others who don't protect it. Also, not every service offers end-to-end encryption by default, so it's important to understand an app's privacy features before you use it.